Yo, your attention span is cooked. So let's break down the difference between C, C++, and C# under 100 seconds, like you're a noob coder who just opened their first IDE and cried. So let's start with C, the OG of programming languages. It's fast, low level, and gives you full control, along with full responsibility to break everything. No classes, no objects, just functions, pointers, and enough memory bugs to give you PTSD. Using C is like holding a loaded gun with no safety. You will shoot yourself in the foot elegantly. Now, C++. C++ was my first language, and I still can't recover from the trauma it gave me. It's basically C with more features and more nightmares. It adds object-oriented programming, templates, and error messages. It's used in gaming, high-performance apps, and anywhere developers enjoy pain. To summarize, C++ is a foot automatic pistol, still dangerous, but now with classes and packaging. Then there's C#. It looks like C++ on the outside, but runs on the .NET framework. And honestly, C# is kind of a fancy version of Java. It's awesome for Windows apps, Unity game development, and basically anything where you want things to just work. Think of it as C++ with training wheels and a therapist. So, which one should you learn? If you're a nerd, go with C#. If you're an ultra nerd, go with C or C++. And if you're still asking where C+ is, no, it doesn't exist. Remember, everyone suffers. You just choose your suffering. See you in the next video.